Okay.
Okay? Okay, Adley, we're gonna read Goodnight Moon. Your favorite book ever. Okay. There's the cover. Let's open the book. Okay. Goodnight Moon by Margaret Wise Brown. Pictures by Clement Hurd. You know how to turn the pages? No, it sticks together. In the great green room, there was a telephone and a red balloon. You see the red balloon? And a picture of, let me turn the page. And a picture of the cow jumping over the moon. There's a cow. And there were 3 little bears sitting on chairs. There's 1, 2, and 3 little bears. Oops. Let me turn the page. They're sticking together. What do you do to these pages then? They stick. And 2 little kittens. There's kitten number 1 and kitten number 2. And a pair of mittens. And a little toy house. And a young mouse. Sticky pages. Okay, you turn that one. Thank you. And a comb and a brush. And a bowl full of mush. And a quiet old lady was whispering hush. Good night, room. Good night, moon. There's the moon. Good night, cow, jumping over the moon. There's the cow. Good night, light, and the red balloon. Good night, bears. Good night, chairs. Oh, look at there. Good night, kittens. And good night, mittens. Oh, help me turn. Thank you. Good night, clocks. And good night, socks. There are the socks. You see the socks? And there's the cow. Good night, little house. There's a house like we live in. Good night, mouse. Good night, comb. Good night, brush. Good night, nobody. There's nobody. Good night, mush. There's our bowl of mush. Oh, I thank you. And good night to the little old lady whispering hush. Oh, where are you going? It's the end. 1 more page, ready? Now turn that page. Wait, let me turn the page. Good night, noises everywhere. Oh, look how dark it is in the room. It's bedtime time. Good night, Natalie. Yay!